Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kate here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check in JetBlue. So make sure to stick till the end, and now let's start. First of all, on your device launch JetBlue app. Before you are about to head to check in, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the bottom of your screen you will see certain icons such as home, my trips, check in, book and more. Now you want to go to the option that says check in, so tap on check in. After you're done with that, you will see this page here. Provide your first name, your last name, your departure city from your leaving, and provide your confirmation code or your flight number. After you're done with that, again simply tap on check in option, and in this way you can finally check into your JetBlue. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.